Tube Nation, what's going on? It's your boy Big Vic. Welcome back to my Black Universe. So, I promise y'all some new things coming. Now, this one is from a company that's an old favorite of mine. Oh, move that real quick. So, we gotta be careful when getting this one. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Once again, this company's an old favorite of mine, but they went and did something new with the product lineup. So it deserves a nod on this channel because these are fresh, these are dope. And it's helping me change up my look the way I want to. So where's the paper off of it? Hold on, I ain't gonna put this on camera just yet. Let me get the tissue paper out. Y'all can see it just yet. Just yet. One more pimping, I'm filming. Just yet, but boom. Straight like that. Straight like that. So you already know what it is. You already know what it is. Oh, got the magnets on the box. Hold on, gotta look. Oh yeah. You know what that is? You know what time it is. Got the new Negash. The new designs. Woo. Oh yeah. These are the Kunums or Kunum. K-U-N. Oh, this. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Wait a minute. Oh, that's genuine. That is real soft Italian leather. All. Oh my good. Oh, that's a suede piece. Oh yeah. It feels real nice. Got these 13 and a half because according to the chart that they have on the website, since I wear 13 American, get 13 and a half in these. So I trust the chart. The trusted the chart. I was gonna say nah, but these are dope. These took 2 weeks to make, roughly 2 weeks, and ship out to me. Literally from Italy. Literally from Italy. And I'll stay with. Gosh, it's killing it, man. They're killing it with this one. They got some more Italian joints, like they got the Sobek. The ones I like are the black alligator with the white bottom. I'll probably cop those, and they got the classic sneakers, which are black with the gold. But if I get the black with the white, I probably won't get the black with the gold. I don't want to overdo it. But let me pull out this other shoe. Let me pull out this other shoe. I'll make a complete set. The Kunum. I gotta find out what that means. I'm gonna put that in the description. What the Kunum means. So it's the bottom of the shoe. Now you're supposed to be hand stitched put together. So I'm gonna have to do a walking video. I'm gonna have to put these on, but I don't put them on just yet. Not till I get my drip game together. You can't just wear these just to do it. The pants gotta be right. The shirt gotta be right. Of course, I'm a fedora with it. Yeah, let's let marinate real quick, man. Real quick. Oh, I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that. Let's get the box up here. Let's get the still image that we need. Is that the image that we're looking for? Is that what we're looking for? We're gonna put this on a different background and get the still image, but I'm loving the way these feel. These feel, this is so nice. Very soft leather, real Italian leather. And you can get these right now. The pre-order price is $219. But if you wait, you don't get the pre-order price. You're gonna pay $500 for these. So, dude, I think it's 5 or 6. I'll throw a link in the description. You see the pricing, but if you go you pre-order these, you're paying $219 for them. You gonna pay decent money for them. You ain't gonna pay. You ain't getting hit over the head. But you can be, bull corner if you want to. You can wait around if you want to. But you can see, limited edition. I got the code number on my joints, made in Italy. So see, that's how you know it's real. Shout out to Rockland Negash, man. Shout this brother out. You know what time it is, 13 and a half. Man, because I'm mad. Yeah. So you already know what time it is, y'all. Peace and blessings. Until you see me walking these joints, man. Peace and blessings. Get you some now. Alright? Because they took the raw .3 down. I guess I don't know what was going on with that. Took the raw .3 down, which I should have caught me some. Because I need me some low pros. But it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to jump on everything I can when I can. Because they changed up their look, and I need to change up my look. And, you know what I'm saying? Go with something fresh. I've been a customer for over 3 years. They've been doing it big. This is one of the companies I celebrate and support. I am going to bring more Urbana shoes from Urbana Max in here. They got a new theme that they have with their kicks right now, which I'm digging. So I think I know which colorway I'm going to get. Give me some of those, get some for my kids, you know what I'm saying? Do it big so they have some dope tennis shoes like they pops. It is what it is, man. So until next time, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Peace and blessings. Ashe.